up, everybody? It is the last sea day, and we will be headed back home. Well, back to Fort Canaveral. So this is the last day at sea. So sad, but I am gonna try and do the ropes course. Well, I'm not gonna try. I'm gonna do it. Except for the zip line is down right now on the ropes course, which I did the zip line last time when I was on Mardi Gras, and it was pretty terrifying. But I'm gonna go ahead and just do the regular ropes course today, and yeah, have some fun. Woo! I already ate breakfast and everything. So yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and get that started. Hey guys, if you're ever on a Carnival ship, definitely do the ropes course. It's definitely a adrenaline rush, and I mean, I felt so accomplished when I finished, but it was super fun too. Did make it back to Chibang for lunch. So lunch was included in the price. I didn't have to pay, but if I wanted to go back to dinner, I would have to pay $8. So sad this is the last night, but I'm gonna head out to Pig and Anchor for dinner, and then I'm gonna see a show afterwards. But I just found a interesting thing. There are little things on the walls on each floor, which are like inspirational quotes. And if you look at them, they do say something inspirational. But when you look at the huge word on each one of the inspirational words, it references a ship, a carnival ship. So I'll show you what I mean. So this says real elation is when you feel you could touch a star without standing on tiptoe. Now see the big word elation? It's referencing carnival elation. And each floor has the same thing. So I'll show you one more just so you understand what I mean. See, they have inspiration right there. Inspiration. That's carnival inspiration. So they kind of incorporated their ships in each of the quotes that they chose, and it's actually kind of cool. So if you're ever on Carnival Mardi Gras, look at all of the quotes on the walls on the stairs. If you take the stairs, look at the quotes and you'll see them, and they reference carnival ships as well within the inspirational quotes. Thought that was pretty cool. So yeah, that's pretty much it. I'm headed to drop this phone off to Camp Ocean so that I don't get charged. So once I drop the phone off at Camp Ocean, I'm gonna go back to the room. I've already put my luggage out. I'm sad. It's the last day. But that's pretty much it, guys. I don't have any more. I'm probably just gonna go back to the room and chill. But it was a good last day, and yeah, make sure you guys like, comment, and subscribe. I really appreciate it. Thank you for watching this whole series of Mardi Gras, and I guess I'll see you all in my next video.